Hello everyone. Welcome you all to SiTechz tutorial on Git and GitHub. In this tutorial, you will learn about the Git merging operation. Now let us have a look on the topic overview. As part of this tutorial, we are going to talk about what is Git merging and how a branch is merged with the main branch. Now let's move to what is Git merging. Git merging is the process where the changes in a specific branch is added into another branch. Let us consider, you are working on a specific task in a project. For this task, you created a separate branch and you pushed all the code changes to this specific branch. Once you confirmed that the code changes are working good as expected, you can merge the changes with the main branch. This is the scenario where Git merge comes into the picture. Now, let's move to the next topic. Now let us see how a branch is merged with the main branch. Suppose you want to merge the changes from the branch SiTechz repo branch 020222021 to the main branch. At first, you need to switch to main branch. Next, locate to the local repository folder, then right-click on the local repository folder, select TortoiseGit, and click on Merge. This will show you the Merge dialog. Here, you need to select the local branch from you want to merge, and click OK. And then, we need to push the changes from local master branch to remote master branch. For that, right-click on the local repository folder, then select TortoiseGit, and then click on Push. Now let me show you the demo. At this point, we have successfully merged a branch into the master branch. Now, let me show you the main branch of GitHub repository after the merge. Now, we can confirm that the code changes we made in the branch SiTechz repo branch 02022021 are also reflected in main branch. Guys. With this, we are at the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.